One of the things that is often overlooked are the leaky pipes that happen underneath the sink, where then it damages that wood that's underneath the cabinets. What do you guys think of when you see that?
Again, when I'm working with a buyer and looking at a home, you're not going to walk into a home that there's just nothing wrong with it. There's always going to be something wrong. Your big concerns are the major systems and water. Water is, you worry about mold. You worry if the cabinet has damage, then does something below the cabinet, the subfloor, does that have damage? Is there mold growing there? So that's the big concern. And again, fixing a leaky pipe is usually very easy. That's a quick fix.
And one of the things in house cleaning that we recommend for our homeowners is that they'll take like a plastic bin. You can get these, they're a little bit bigger than a shoebox. They're like 19-quart bins. They're just plastic bins. Lots of people put their hair care items and their lotions and potions and all that stuff underneath their sink. We recommend that you put one of those right underneath that P trap. The P trap is that P thing that right there that you see that bend in the curve, that you put that underneath there. If it ever leaks, it's going to leak in your plastic bucket and it's not going to leak on the flooring of your cabinet here. We've run into lots of homes where, because that's not a really strong floorboard, the water will eat through that. Or if there are any cleaning chemicals that are underneath the sink, it will eat through that. And then you're not talking about just replacing a basket that's a little grungy. What you're talking about is replacing that whole bottom of that cabinet. So don't do that if you can avoid it.
That's
So
really smart. I mean, everything else, if you think about it, like your water heater is on a drip pan, your washing machine is on a drip pan, your furnace is on a drip pan. So that's a really great tip to do that in under all of your sinks, kitchen and bathroom. That's a great tip.